Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Briz and I am the Outreach Logistics Coordinator here at the Children's Museum Houston. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Rudolph tea light ornament. Let's get started. The materials you're going to need today are decorative ribbon or curling ribbon, a hot glue gun, an adult to help you use it, scissors, googly eyes, an electric tea light. You can find these in stores. Some pipe cleaners. I've chosen a combo of brown and white, and a brown permanent marker, a red permanent marker, and a black permanent marker. Okay, so what we are going to do first is we are going to take our brown marker. I have two different colors. I'm going to use this one. And we are going to color the white part of our tea light, not the actual flame itself. Once you're done coloring the white part with your brown marker, you're going to take your red marker and color the flame part of your tea light. Once you're done coloring Rudolph's nose, it's time to glue on his eyes. And this is the part where you're going to need an adult to help you. Make sure your hot glue gun is all warmed up. You're just going to put a dot behind the eyes carefully and then just stick it on. Next, you're going to take your marker, and Rudolph's a happy reindeer, so we're going to give him a smiley face. Next, you're going to take your pipe cleaners. Now, I want to twist mine to do a double combo, so I'm going to cut these because they don't need to be that long. I'd say maybe about 3 to 4 inches for each antler, and then I'm going to twist them. Next, you're going to take your hot glue gun, and you're going to put just a line of hot glue and carefully place one of the ends on top. And just hold it for a couple of seconds so it gives it enough time to dry. Next, you're going to take your scissors and your ribbon and you're going to cut out a piece. Now my ribbon happens to be a little bit long, so I'm going to cut it down. And then you're going to have one dot in the center and then put your ribbon on top of it. Make sure when you're gluing the ribbon to the back side, you don't cover your switch so it's easy to turn off and on. Now you're going to do another dot on top of the ribbon you just placed and have it come around. And here's your final result. Now make sure you can also get creative. You can make a snowman, a Santa Claus. You can do all sorts of ornaments with little tea lights. Thank you. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed making our Rudolph, and I hope you guys have a very happy holidays. Bye.